Dear student, now let's talk about a very important aspect of TCA, that is the universality of the TCA, that is centrality of the TCA, that is why and how TCA acts as metabolic hub. एक central point है metabolism का, वो कैसे? TCA of course consists of 8 different reactions giving rise to the formation of many intermediates, but in addition to this, it is central to the cellular respiration. Beyond the oxidation of the acetate moiety which you found in the acetyl CoA, it gives rise to the formation of lot of ATP. It gives rise to the formation of many compounds which in turn become part of different reactions. It also takes many compounds from or many molecules from other reactions like the breakdown of amino acids, which gives the intermediates of the TCA. It is not only a catabolic pathway in which the breakdown of different compounds like breakdown of citrate, breakdown of isocitrate, breakdown of succinyl CoA. Not only this gives a lot of energy, it's also anabolic. It gives rise to the formation of all these compounds which in turn are used in different metabolic processes which are used in the formation of different structures. For example, oxaloacetate and alpha ketoglutarate both are the precursors of the amino acids and the nucleotides. So the oxaloacetate here, for instance, it gives rise to the formation of all sorts of important molecules like the amino acids like aspartate, glutamine, and tyrosine, and also the formation of nucleotides. Similarly, the alpha ketoglutarate also, and then also the citrate can give rise to the acetyl CoA, which can be used in the formation of lipids. So in this way, TCA is not only producing energy, it's not only producing its own intermediates, it is also providing very important carbon skeletons to other compounds, to amino acids, to nucleotides, to fatty acids. Not only TCA can give carbon skeleton to different compounds, it also takes, and this taking different compounds from other pathways is very important for TCA, because when TCA is giving certain compounds or when certain compounds of the TCA are used by other metabolic pathways, that's when the amino acids are being formed, like when nucleotides are being formed, there is always a possibility, a danger that TCA itself can run short of its own intermediates. To replenish that shortage, the TCA then borrow different molecules from other pathways also, from the nucleotides breakdown, from amino acid breakdown. For instance, we can say that for oxaloacetate or malate, these both are very important intermediates of the TCA. They are formed from different reactions in the TCA or from different pathways which are taking part outside of the TCA, and this oxaloacetate is then regenerated and is then used by the TCA. Same is the case with malate. For instance, here we can see here that a pyruvate can be converted into oxaloacetate to phosphoenol pyruvate. Fine. Similarly, pyruvate can be converted into malate, and in this way, these compounds are then replenished through the participation of other compounds which are not the part of TCA. This is known as anaplerotic reactions. These reactions which replenish the different intermediates of the TCA, so that the shortage of TCA, shortage of the intermediates which are required for TCA, that doesn't take place. And reaction, the TCA itself goes on functioning in the normal way, goes on producing energy with the normal pace. So this is why we can say that TCA is not only producing energy, it is not only giving the carbon skeleton, but it's also being interacting with the other pathways and taking certain molecules for its own existence, also for its own proper proceeding.